It's a wet, rainy day today, but I've come out with my umbrella for a little walk because I want to show you something which I think is the last surviving example I know of the object, and that's it over there. So we're just going to go and quickly have a look at what that is. See that concrete structure right there? I want to show you something. Now, back when I was a child, these were everywhere, and this is well, I think it's supposed to represent a tent, and every playground, every children's playground, and often a lot of school playgrounds had one or more of these concrete tents in it. Often they were brightly painted. And there it is. It's actually a play structure before we had all of these safe play structures. This is what kids used to play on. Stuff like this. And so when I was a kid, I mean, we can see it is a bit like a tent. Kids used to play inside of these things and climb all over them and have their fun and games, and imagine they were camping and all sorts of things, I guess. But there we go, a concrete tent. As I say, these used to be everywhere. This is the last example that I know of that I've seen recently. I suspect most of them have been broken up and used in foundations of stuff or just dumped. And this is the last one I know of. It's a bit of a blast from the past for me because this is a thing from my childhood. So there we go, that's a concrete tent. That's what used to be in playgrounds years and years ago. Has anybody else ever seen one of these? Do you know of any other surviving examples? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be really interested to know. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.